Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to drape this 6-yard sari over the Cancan skirt. So all you're gonna need is a crop top, a Cancan skirt, and any 6-yard sari. I'm using this beautiful Zahara sari from Bhuva.com. It's embroidered and it's pretty transparent. It's on a mesh material. Any sari will do, but I feel like when you use a transparent sari, it looks that much better. So try it out with that material. Also, this is gonna end up looking like a dupatta or a thavani or a 2.5 meter shawl, but rest assured this is 6 yards and we're gonna show you exactly how to drape it. So let's get started. This is the fancy end of the sari. This has a lace border on all sides. If you're using a silk sari, it might just be a heavy worked side, and then you'll see the difference between the fancy end and the non-fancy end. So take the fancy end and put it over your shoulder, and you wanna make sure that the end hits around the back of your knee. The reason for that is when you let go of your pallu, you want it to not trail on the ground. You want it to nicely hit the ground and be manageable. So I'm just gonna take the rest of the sari and put it on my shoulder. And then you're gonna take the rest of the sari, get to all the way to the other end, and start pleating. I would leave about 1.5 to 2 feet of sari left over, and you're gonna see why in a moment. And I'm just gonna start pleating. I use my entire hand to pleat. If you wanna learn the technique I use, you can head over to my how to pleat video. I'll link it here. You can check it out. And take as many pleats as you need. You can take them as wide or as narrow as you'd like. Doesn't really matter, will not affect the look of the drape. Once you have enough that when you hold it against your body like this, it falls nicely, you can stop pleating. And then at this point, you can add a safety pin, and I would recommend doing so. And then you wanna kind of center it to the back of your body and tuck it in. All right, so once you're happy with where that is, you wanna take the end that you left, so that 1 to 1.5 to 2 feet of sari that you left, you wanna take the end like that, and you wanna pleat down the side. Once you have your pleats and you're happy with them, you want to tuck it in to the middle of your body like so. And then if you have any extra sari left over here, you can just kind of tuck them in so it kind of gives that continuous look. And then this is what the back should look like. For the pallu, you can either leave it open like so, or you can put it all on your shoulder for a neater structured look and even add a waist chain. And that's it. Whenever I share these Cancan drapes, I always get a bunch of comments saying this is the thavani drape and it's not a sari drape. And while it is very similar to the thavani drape in the way it looks, it is draped with a 6-yard sari, and that's the only way you'd be able to get all of the pleats in the back. With the thavani, there are no pleats in the back, and so that's the tiny little bit of difference between the two drapes. I hope you try out this drape, and I'll see you in a future video.